India's northern belt has witnessed a tough summer, with temperatures soaring as high as 45 degrees Celsius. Monday morning started on a similar note, but as afternoon fell, the weather took a 360-degree turn. Skies with scorching sun turned into black clouds with lightning. The capital city was lashed by a hailstorm. Heavy rains with strong wind speeds shook parts of New Delhi, bringing traffic to a standstill. Residents have reported damage to property and multiple trees being uprooted. According to airport authorities, 8 flights were diverted due to turbulent weather conditions. Meanwhile, the rain and cool winds brought relief to people. The temperature fell sharply by 13 degrees Celsius. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.